Hello everyone, I am Srinivas, SAP Tech. We go through SAP PO Approval for process being linked with apps which is mostly used in Android phones and tabs. The SAP application is being interfared with the help of SAP Netweaver 7.0 and Gateway 2.0. The app is developed using PhoneGap and jQuery. I will start the demo from data flow diagram, which is just an overview of the process. SAP server where actually database resides and is connected to SAP Netweaver is a technology that provides a simple way to connect devices, environment and platforms to SAP. It offers connectivity to SAP application using programming languages or model without the need of SAP knowledge by leveraging REST services and OData ATOM protocols. At mobile side, you need to install the app and provide user ID and passwords for individual users. This process is useful for high-level executive professionals who are at level of managers and CEOs. For instance, they do not have much time to log into SAP, check transactions, POs raised for the day and release them. So, let me explain the business process of PO release. The PO is created by end user in the transaction ME21N. Once the PO is generated in SAP server, the ABAP workflow identifies the reporting officers mentioned in the release group. It pushes the required data to SAP Netweaver by means of RFC and is received to the respective user in the app. In this scenario, I have taken the reporting officer at level 1 as purchasing officer, and user 1 is a user ID in the SAP server as well as in the app event. If he or she approves or rejects a PO that gets updated in the server through SAP Netweaver by means of RFCs. So let us see this in practical now. So let us log into SAP. I have already logged into the SAP. So let's go to ME transaction ME21N to create PO. Just pass our required parameters. Save. You can see the PO number is generated and the PO is created. 450805 is the PO number. So let us see whether the purchasing officer has received this and is a mobile app. So I just connected my phone. You can see. So I'll just open my app, which is already installed. Sorry. Taking a update time. Here it is. So just go to settings, provide the username and the password. Since this is username belongs to the purchasing officer who needs to approve this, so I have already provided it. So just back navigation, go to navigation and press workflow. You can see our PO got created. PO has popped up 450805 notification of approval created by the user who has created by the end user ID. Just select it. You can see further details, getting some details. Yeah, here it is. So you can see the PO number and the PO date on which it is created and the PO number and vendor and PO value. You should select this. You can see further details and the line items and all. You can see material description and the quantity which I have given. So now we have two buttons. One is approve and reject. If I approve it, the PO level 1 gets released and goes for the second level, that is purchasing manager. So let me approve this. So work item acceptance. So let us check this got updated in SAP or not. For that, you need to go to your transaction ME29 and So provide the PO. You can see the purchasing officer has released and is waiting for the purchasing managers to approve that second level. So let's go back, and let us see whether purchasing officer has received this approval or not. So for that we need to go back and save things, and we need to change the user ID. The purchasing manager user ID is user2. So provide the user2 and this password. Save. Just go to navigation, select password. So you can see the PO which we was approved by level 1 was come to approved for level 2, 4550805, and the PO is created. Select this. You can just find the same details. It's line item details. You can just press approve or reject. So work item accepted. So let us see in SAP how this is updated or not. So you can see the purchasing manager has approved it, so and is waiting for the approval of general manager. So general manager must be receiving the PO for approval. Let us go for. So they need to log in into the user3, who is the general manager for user. So provide the password of user3. Press save. Go to navigation and workflow. So you can see the PO was approved by purchase manager 4550805 and created by the user. In the same way you can find the same details. Select it and find the details. And now I am pressing the approve button. So work item got accepted. Fine. Now let us see in SAP. Well, you can see all the levels of approvals were accepted. This is how it is going to work. Well, just show you one more thing. Press home button. You can see the pie chart, which is a material buffer status. It is still under development, which shows us the materials available at our store. This is how it's going for. Thank you for watching my video.